We can't have a conversation about content creation or being a content creator if we don't consider the channels that we are going to be using to distribute our content. In this module, I want to talk about the different types of channels, and then we're also going to look at emerging formats and how to adapt for emerging formats. And then most importantly, how we can leverage those channels to our advantage. One of the most important things about creating content is not just for creating content for content's sake. And when we look at the different channels, the primary channel, I think, for most people would be your website or your blog. And the benefit of owning your own website or blog is the fact that you own it. It belongs to you. And you've got control over the content and the messaging. Social media channels are very important, and this would include Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. There are always emerging channels, so you want to be mindful of the up-and-coming channels that could possibly influence your audience. The benefits of social media: you're reaching a wider audience, potentially higher engagement, and don't forget targeted advertising. Search engines are also a very important channel for content distribution. This would include any of the search engines, but the advantage of making your content appealing to search engines is you get organic traffic, you get better brand visibility, and if you're lucky, thought leadership opportunities. I'm a big fan of email marketing, so if you don't have an email marketing channel, I recommend that you get one now. Beyond distributing newsletters and email marketing campaigns, email marketing is a great channel for building a relationship with your existing customers, but at the same time, you can also nurture potential customers. Although technically not a media channel, paid advertising channels are a great way to distribute your content. It might cost you a bit of money, but at least you're guaranteed of distribution. And this would include your Google ads, your social media ads, your display ads. And don't overlook the importance of public relations. One of the biggest benefits of public relations is they have got access to all the major media outlets. They've got influencer relationships, and they can create media opportunity. Some of the benefits of a public relations campaign would include credibility, awareness, and obviously media coverage. I'm a big fan of partnerships. I also enjoy seeing brands who form partnerships. This would include collaborations with other businesses, influencers, and industry organizations. Some of the benefits of great partnerships include expanded reach, access to new audiences, and then also cross-promotion opportunities. And then also there are offline opportunities. We often think of content creation and content distribution as being an online activity. Don't overlook offline activities. This would include conferences, events, trade shows, workshops, and webinars. And one of the greatest advantages of these is direct customer interaction. It never ceases to amaze me what a difference it makes in your relationship with your customer, or how your customer interacts with you, than when they've met with you face to face. Events also bring networking opportunities, which might lead to short-term or long-term benefit. And then don't overlook, obviously, brand visibility. Then some of your other offline channels for content distribution would be old school distribution. Look at radio, look at television, magazines and newspapers. And don't forget brochures, flyers, billboards. Anywhere where you can put your content is a channel for content distribution. And then also you're building your community because you're reaching them in their market. Play where your audience is playing, and work where your audience is working. And put your content to work where your audience is working.